So today's math story reads, Mr. Paz buys 12 liters of paint to paint his house. He pours the paint equally into 4 buckets. How many liters of paint are in each bucket? You must show a tape diagram, your work, and your answer in a sentence. So the first thing I'm going to do is write a sentence that becomes a statement that answers my question, which is, how many liters of paint are in each bucket? So, how many liters of paint are in each bucket? Let's turn that question around. There are blank liters of paint in each, and I'm going to run out of room here, so I'll just put it below bucket. Period. Double check that. Our question reads, how many liters of paint are in each bucket? Let's see if our statement answers that. There are blank liters of paint in each bucket. That's what we're finding. Okay, let's do a tape diagram. So what does it say? He buys 12 liters of paint. That seems like the total amount of paint he buys. He pours the paint equally into 4 buckets. Well, can we show 4 buckets? Sure we can. Draw a tape diagram, split this into 4 buckets by drawing 3 lines. All right, here we go. 1 bucket, 2 buckets, 3 buckets, 4 buckets. And we know that he buys a total of 12, so we'll just label that 12 liters total. Now, it does not say 4 in each bucket. It says he pours the paint equally into 4 buckets. We just don't know how much paint he puts in. So the only thing we can do is share those 12 liters of paint equally until we reach 12. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we can see how many liters are in each bucket. And as you can see, there are 3 in this bucket, 3 in this bucket, 3 in this bucket, and 3 in the last bucket. So we have an answer. There are 3 liters of paint in each bucket. Now, how can we prove it with math? Well, we had a total of 12 liters, and what we're doing here is we're sharing or dividing that 12 liters into 4 buckets. So we're using division. Divided by 4 buckets, because that's what we know, equals, well, I can count by 4s until I reach 12. 4, 8, 12. I did that 3 times. So my answer is 3, and that matches what we see in the story. And that's today's math story.